going to start with a precautionary approach, just to make sure everything is looking sharp. So we're just coming over our intended touchdown area. With any off-airport operations like this, definitely want to make sure you're well informed on the current conditions, thickness of the ice, snow conditions on the surface, and proceed with the utmost caution. So I have a friend here that we're going to have some lunch with. He's recently put an auger through the ice this morning, confirmed thickness for us, and we have been at this location in the past as well. I'm just going to fly precautionary. You might remember them from your flight training. Basically just determining that it's safe to land. Put ourselves in the landing configurations. I'm going to do 80 miles an hour and 10 degrees of flaps. Get all of our landing checks done and then overfly our area just to make sure that we're happy. Everything looks good. We'll come back around and complete our landing. Now, precautionaries can also be really useful for unfamiliar airports or going to an airport at night. Even if you've been there lots in the daytime, you can suffer from lots of strange illusions. So just flying that precautionary approach could be very useful at nighttime. And at an airport, you can go low fairly quickly. But if you're doing them off-field, you may want to start high and make a couple of passes to make sure there's no obstruction. Okay, we are mixture rich, prop high RPM for the go-around, flaps are set, gears down and latched, we are landing on a frozen lake, and we've got our intended landing path here, nice and beaten down by snowmobiles. Okay, everything's looking pretty good. Just going to make sure this isn't slush up here. Oh, that looks good and solid. All right, going for the overshoot. And we'll turn the other way just so we don't overfly the same people over and over again. And we'll come back around and make our landing. Okay, downwind checks. Fuel pump is on. Engine instruments are in the green, temperatures, pressure, CHT is good, we're on the correct fuel tank. Mixture is rich, and we'll make this one a full stop. Okay, mixture, prop, high RPM for the go-around, gears down latched, and one green, flaps are set 15, we are on final. Just make sure we clear our trees here. That's not the smoothest. Got a little bit of bounce on the tail wheel there with the 3-point. I think it's probably because the tail wheel's just digging in ever so slightly.
We're sinking in a little bit here.
We'll stay over on where it's packed by the snowmobiles. How's that sound?
Sounds good. Cutting a few things down, cabin heat, throw. Got the fuel pump off?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, and we're off.
Right, need to practice my 3 points in a little bit. That's a little pleasant, but there we go. Alright, excellent. We're going to have some lunch.
Big challenge. No, you don't. Okay, everything else in the same position.
Mixture's ready.
Yes.
Throttle flat.
Yeah.